after the machine receives it. Install the bracket first. There are holes on the left and right sides of the slider. You put it in the hole on the left. Plug for connecting the meter wheel. There is a groove on the plug. Align the raised place on the plug. Connect power. Turn on the power. After the display screen lights up, tap the upper right corner. Enter password 9988. You can choose the language here. Chinese, English, Russian, and English. If you choose Chinese and English, just click back. If you choose Chinese, click Chinese. Select English and click English. Re-entry system. If you choose Chinese, click to enter the system. This is a Chinese operation page. Threading process. Feed through the first wire guide wheel. Feed through the first wire guide wheel. This wheel can be bypassed. If you go through this wheel, the tension will be higher. If you want to reduce the tension, you can go directly. Thread it up to the top. Go to the outlet mouth. Mount spool. This tail seat can slide. Here's a lock wrench. Release the lock wrench. The tail seat can be moved left and right. Use it to adjust the middle position. Mount spool. After about this location, lock the back wrench. Then through a rocker on the right. To fix the spool, shake it until it feels fixed. You can stop. Lock the black wrench above. Is that so? The whole spool will be fixed very firmly. Next, debug the data. First, click inside the function selection. Inside are some functions supported by the machine. Choose according to different spools. Enable different functions. So let's look at the first spool. Both ends are flat. If you choose at this time, the layer plus mode here does not need to be turned on at all. Select automatic mode directly. This is a disconnection check. Broken line detection. That is, you are in the process of running the machine. If the line is suddenly disconnected, after this is turned on. After the machine detects the disconnection, will automatically stop. This can be turned on according to the choice. Or close. Emergency stop mode. After opening, during the winding process, if you need an emergency stop, just click to stop. The machine will suddenly stop. If closed, the machine just slows down. The second spool. It is also the most commonly used type on one side. At this point, we need to turn it on. Single side layer plus. Single side layer plus. So you're winding from the sloping end. Then you have to choose the starting layer to add. If you start from the flat end, run the winding towards the slope end. At this time, the end layer will be opened. The third axis. It is the spool that is being layered on both sides. Close the end layer at this time. Open both sides of the layer plus. That's it. So here we go. How to operate this spool. Close select start layer add. System parameter settings. This is the default data. Modification is not recommended. Press manual operation. Manual operation. Manual speed winding and manual speed shifting above. Modification left is arrow, right arrow below it. The two arrows show the machine going to the right left. Arrow. When using these two functions is to clear the click. Click disabled. At this time, we long press the right arrow. The machine will drive to the right. Long press the left arrow, and the machine will go left. This can be used to adjust the position of the bracket. Click. After adjusting the position, enabled winding forward and winding reverse. Winding forward. It's a clockwise winding machine. One click. Now the machine is spinning counterclockwise. Generally, we choose the winding forward direction. Move forward. The default machine runs from left to right. If you click, 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 this time, the machine runs from right to left by default. Number of parameter settings. Take a bucket and choose an inner width size. It's going from the bottom of the slope to this plane. This winding position, length of the winding area. Choose this according to your spool size. The inner width size is made of millimeters. If it is 240, enter 240. The appearance size can be modified without modification. Single acceleration and deceleration speed. Single acceleration we can now see. 1.0 has a 25 on it. Is its acceleration time. The higher the number, the longer the acceleration time. Change it to 2.0. If you change it to 2, its acceleration time is 50. When it starts running, we'll slowly accelerate. It will increase to maximum speed after 50 seconds. Deceleration speed is not recommended to be modified. The following does not need to be modified. The monitoring screen first looks at the current speed. The current speed does not need to be modified. Winding speed. That's the speed of the winding motor. The higher the number, the faster the speed. The smaller the number, the slower it is. This recommended speed should not exceed 30. Set length. That's how many kilometers you have to go around 10 kilometers, around 20 wire diameter. You can be, if it is 0.3 fiber. On the input, 0.30. For fiber, based on our experience, set it to 0.6. This came around. The line that comes out will be flatter. It can also be set according to the actual wire diameter. The cable speed is the speed of the cable motor. Don't worry about that. Line speed is a real-time speed. A display of how many meters can be circled in 1 minute. The current length is the real-time winding length. Move position and leave it alone. Start point addition and subtraction and end point addition. It's used to fine-tune the winding. Layer plus wire diameter for the location of the area. Because it's sloping, so every floor, it is necessary to stack the wire diameter Superimposed this wire diameter size. You need to see your winding effect. If the slope is large, diameters you can stack. The superposition is bigger. If the wire is wound, if the slope is small, the wire diameter that can be stacked can be smaller. This depends on the real-time winding effect to adjust. Real-time display of real-time number of coils. The real-time number of winding layers is set to decrease as much as possible. This is a back layer minus wire diameter. If the back is full, do you think after 200 or 300 floors, you can reduce it slowly? Just ask him to reduce his wire diameter a little bit. Slowly collect it inside. Start button. After all, the data is adjusted. Press start. The machine will start running. Stop button. The machine is running. If you need to stop immediately, click on it, and the machine will stop. Click again, and the machine will continue to run. Reset the machine to stop after the end of one axis winding. Click reset, and the machine will return to the original point.